beat, getting French toast. Tokyo, sake sipping in the robe. Yo, Japan, done my open, got the toe.
These windows suck. Let's fix that. And that reminds me of one of my favorite games. Do it yourself
or don't. Welcome back to the show where you can win fabulous prizes for answering the age-old question. Do you do the work yourself or hire someone else to do it? We're here with Travis. We've made it to the lightning round. In this round, we're going to ask a series of rapid-fire questions pertaining to your current project. These questions will fall into a category of skill, time, and cost. At the end, we will be asking the final question for your chance to win the grand prize. So, are you ready to play?
Ready.
How hard is it to install a window?
It's not the hardest thing in the world, but if you're a total novice, you should definitely do a lot of research or ask someone with experience to help you out.
How long does it take to install a window?
30 minutes for the install, not including the wrap and the trim. It could take a lot longer if you run into issues.
Like what?
Frame damage.
Are windows expensive?
Yeah.
Is window installation expensive?
It can be. A lot of times, if you buy windows from certain companies, they'll give you a discount on the installation. Sometimes they'll give you free installation.
How important is it to nail the installation?
It's very important to nail the installation because the windows are the barrier to the outside of your home, so you want to make sure that that's sealed properly so moisture can't get into the house.
That just leaves the final question. Your house, 30 windows. Do it yourself or don't?
I'm gonna say don't. Don't do it. Hire it out to someone else.
Congratulations, that is the right answer.
Oh my God. I've never won anything before.
Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to join us next time on Do It Yourself or Don't.
Wait, what did I win? So here's the thing, whenever you're renovating a house to flip and sell, you're always towing the line between budget and schedule. So yes, we could have saved money by doing the work ourselves, but we've got 30 windows, a lot with frame damage, and a lot on the second story, so it would have taken a lot of time, on average like an hour per window. So you're looking at 30 plus hours of work, or basically a full-time job.
So we got a crew to come in and install our windows for us. It only took them a few days. That included the installation, the wrap, the trim, and they even disposed of the old windows for us.
Just the beagle.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Bet you can't throw a stick and hit that tree.
What tree?
So, how much did this whole project cost us? Well, we wanted black windows, 30 windows, around $400 a piece, so that's $12,000. Or basically a new Kia. So we got a lot of quotes, some as high as $35,000, which are you f***ing...
I hit it! Be careful whenever you get your quotes and always read the fine print. We had several companies quote us a certain amount and with free installation. But here was the catch. The wrap was $6,000 and it was mandatory.
Are you sure you hit it? Okay, so we finally found a few contractors we were happy with, and the grand total was an additional $1,900, which, yes, is a lot of money, but was it worth it?
Yes!
Okay, so enough talking about it. You guys want to see what they did? We're here. Looks pretty good if I say so myself. A few people were unsure about us painting the house white, but once you get the black windows in there and you see that contrast, looks pretty good, man. And the new roof is coming along nice. We got the black metal roof up there, starting to look nice. Everything's looking good, and then, oh my God, what is that? Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Our chimney's gone. Are you seeing this? Our fucking chimney is gone. I'm just kidding, we totally knew about it. We had a pretty bad windstorm come through and broke our chimney, so fun stuff. That'll be an interesting project for us.
All right, guys, that's it for us. The windows are done.
And the roof is almost finished as well. Everything on the exterior is coming along nicely, except for the freaking chimney we gotta fix. Join us next week when we demo the kitchen and the bathroom as well as the rest of the house. Should be fun, right? Yeah, demo day, baby. All right, we'll catch you on the flip side. Bye. Oh yeah, almost forgot. So about that giveaway, congratulations to Chelsea Stamper from San Antonio, Texas. Woohoo, you won. I'm gonna be shipping this out to you. Thanks again for everybody who entered. Yeah, that's all I got for you. We'll see you next time. Bye.